Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a ragdoll balance in Unity. Wondering how to make a ragdoll in Unity? I'll be making a video on that soon, so make sure to go check that out. And let's get started. The first step is to make a new C# script called balance. Now you want to head on to this website, the link is in the description, and you want to copy all this code. Once you copy this code, you want to head into your C# script and paste it. Now as you can see, after public class balance, it says balance. Now as you can see, this is the exact same as your C# script name, otherwise it will not work. You want to drag this onto every single leg that you have on your ragdoll. As you can see, if you scroll down a bit, it says balance script. As you see, when it says 40, you need to put that as 100 and keep it as 0 on target rotation. And make sure you do this for every single leg. Now on the body, you want to put the force as 500 and put the target rotation as 0. Now on the head, you want to put 60. It's only your personal preference though, 60, because I like it at the start of the game your head will drop down. I like it to stay up a bit, so I put 60. You can keep it at 0, that's fine, but it's completely up to you. As you can see, if you click play, it should be all working.